Good morning, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, I can tell you it was a late night last night on the dock of the bay at Stingery Restaurant, and that's what we're going to talk about today is the 2024 Brad and Big Rich's Cajun Chef's Cook-Off and the Saltwater Slam Fishing Tournament that taking place today. In fact, we were up there from about 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Had a great turnout for the Calcutta. Last night we had the Calcutta. The fishing teams came in. The cook-off teams came in, signed up. If they weren't signed up, registered. And then we had the Calcutta a little bit later on. There you can see Cynthia signing people up, and want to thank the Salt Club, gentleman standing there next to Cynthia, for everything they're doing in this, and we'll talk a little bit more about them. But a lot of people came down, hadn't seen a lot of the people, and saw a lot of new faces last night, and so it was great. Everyone, if you see me down there today, come up and say hi. Let us know where you're from, what kind of new shows you want for this fall. But you know, the Brad and Big Rich's Cajun Chef's Cook-Off and Saltwater Slam's been going on for years now, and it's a great way. Last year, they raised a little over, I believe, $20,000 for Gear Up for Game Warden that they were able to donate. And this year, the funds are going to Gear Up for Game Warden again, plus the revitalization for Gregory Park here on Bolivar Peninsula, a kids' playground that's weatherproof and salt-proof and ready for everyone to enjoy. But, you know, we had a great time down there last night, and everyone had some great food. I want to start off by saying thank you to Jorgensen Marine, Pete Jorgensen Marine. They've got a place in Beaumont and then up by the lake. The one on Beaumont, actually, we did a show on this last week, and they've really got a nice place there. Have some awesome boats, whether it's bay boats, bass boats, or offshore boats. They can take care of you, and they've got an awesome set of mechanics too. If you're having trouble with the boat, maybe you want to upgrade it, put some new electronics on it, they can help you out there. I love that topwater skiff, 21 foot. Put you a 150 on it, man, that puppy will sing and get you to the hot fishing. Now, this boat you're looking at right here is actually a group boat. I believe Salt's doing it, if I'm not mistaken, or someone. But you can scan that QR code, and they're going to sell 1,000 tickets for this boat, and all the money it goes for Gear Up for Game Wardens. And so this thing is tricked out. Had a lot of people looking at it. I saw a lot of people scanning it. I believe this is an 83 or 85 that they completely went through and redid a Boston Whaler. And if you know Boston Whalers, I don't even think they make this boat anymore. But a lot of businesses, Stingery, Jorgensen Marine, Lesotho Property, Stingery Restaurant, a lot of people have gone in and pitched in to make this thing happen, to help raise money. They're only selling 1,000 tickets, and they're gonna raffle it, do the drawing, I believe, on January 11th. And so, great looking boat, completely gone through the motor, the boat, everything. I believe it's got a new trailer underneath it. There you can see Brad and Big Rich talking to some people about it, getting them ready. And, you know, want to thank Brad and Big Rich and all the crew up at Stingery Restaurant. Rich did the auctioneering last night for the cook-off teams and the fishing teams. As the sun set over East Galveston Bay, everyone enjoyed the family and friends, some great food, and everyone was getting ready for today. In fact, by now, probably the teams are starting. There's some more teams signing up. And that there. They've got an auction this afternoon, and all the fun kicks off down there. The great part is you can go down, watch the kids fish at 8:30, stick around at about 10 o'clock, you can sample. The great part about the cook-off is you go in and buy tickets, and then you can go around and sample the Bloody Marys and the gumbo of these cook-off teams. Now, this is some of the auction items that they have. This is a guitar autographed by all the bands that played at the 2024 William Clark Green Cotton Fest. Big musical event goes on every year that William Clark Green does. He donated this. All the bands that played on it autographed it, and that's just one of the many auction items. There's a sound bar, and from what I was reading, this thing is top notch. In fact, it even had a light bar on the front of it. Here's another auction item. If you know Brad, he knows his whiskeys and liquors, and they've put together a basket. We've got a nice hunting knife, Ducks Unlimited hunting knife that was donated for it, and a big list of auction items. I mean, RTIC coolers, Yeti coolers, you name it, we've got it down there. There's Roger Krager items. And you're not going to believe, and we even have some Second Amendment stuff, and the secret coolers coming back. Now, Bahia does a lot for this event, and they were down there. If you're looking for some, in fact, these are the only sunglasses I wear now. I picked some up last year, and I tell you what, you can't beat these sunglasses. I will put these up against any sunglasses in clarity and quality. I bought 2 pairs. So want to thank Cynthia. I know the last week or so has been tough on her there. She's given me that look. And also the Salt Club, the oldest fishing club in Texas, does all the weigh-in, takes care of all the fishing, the slam weigh-in and judging and everything and keeping track of everything. They've got a big screen, and there you can see the trophies. And the evening was wound down with Jamie Bergeron. So today, get ready, round up your family, gather up your friends, and come on down to the 2024 Brad and Big Rich's Cajun Chef's Cook-Off in Crystal Beach, Texas, on the dock of the bay at Stingery Restaurant. Enjoy some great music, some great food, and watch the teams come in and weigh in. Probably starting about 1:30 or 2, they'll start. I think the cutoff for the weigh-in is 3 o'clock, and then after that, they've got the awards, they've got the auction. It's just going to be a great time. We're going to be down there starting with the kids fishing tournament, probably about 8 o'clock. We're going to be shooting some video with Coastal One and then handheld. And so if you're looking for something to do today, the weather is great. Jamie put on a great show, the little bit that I saw last night. Want to thank him for crossing the state line and coming over here and giving us some great live music. So anyway, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. I hope to see you today at Stingery Restaurant for the 2024 Brad and Big Rich's Cajun Chef's Cook-Off and the Saltwater Slam Fishing Tournament, raising funds for Gear Up for Game Warden and the Gregory Park revitalization. There you can see that's actually a shot from yesterday when we were getting set up and stuff. Beautiful water, beautiful view. Come on down. We can't wait to see you today. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.